Meaning of distrust.
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 Distrust. Distrust refers to a lack of confidence or belief in someone or something. When distrust exists, there is a feeling of suspicion and doubt towards the object of distrust. This can lead to negative consequences such as strained relationships, decreased productivity, and increased conflict. Distrust can also create a sense of unease and fear, preventing individuals from feeling safe and secure in their environment. Ultimately, distrust can erode trust over time and severely impact the ability to build meaningful connections with others.